Hello, boys and girls of JSS3. Good morning to you. Welcome to another practical class. So before we get into today's business, I would like to quickly revisit what we did in our previous lesson. I gave you this worksheet and you were asked to calculate this other columns for me. So to get the total, all I expect you to do is highlight the cells and then click on auto sum. You get the total mark generated for you. To get the maximum, you highlight the cells and you come over here, use this drop down box, select max, and that is it. To get your minimum, we repeat the same thing. It's a very simple task. Select minimum and it's calculated. Lastly, average. You still come over and select average. Now the next thing left for you to do is to drag and fill. Drag everything and see, that is what auto sum and auto fill entails. So you can see this assignment is something that you can complete in less than 5 minutes. So we're done with this. Today we want to look at sorting and filtering. Sorting is the process of arranging data in ascending or descending order, and it helps us to analyze data easily. The most common type of sorting is alphabetical ordering. So this is what I mean. Take a look at these names. You can see that the names have not been arranged. You have letter A, and next you have S. So it's not really arranged. So to get it sorted, we need to highlight the names. After highlighting the names, still on your editing group, you have this command, sort and filter. There is a drop down box there. Select it and then click on custom sorts. When you've selected custom sorts, make sure you highlight expand the selection, because if you do not highlight this, the names that you want to sort will be sorted. However, the numbers associated with those names will be left untouched, and that is not what we want. We want to sort the names and even the data with that are attached to those names. So to do that, we need to expand the selection and then you click on sort. So we want to sort the names and we want them from letter A to Z. So you need to say OK. Take a look. The names have been sorted. In fact, even the serial numbers I had before have been affected. So this is it. The names have been sorted, and even the data, that the scores that are associated with the names have also been sorted. That's not all we can do. You can sort even any particular cell you want to. For instance, let's sort the average scores, maybe from largest to smallest. You select OK. Now this is it. The average scores have been sorted. You have the highest average on top and the least at the bottom. Even the names have been affected. So you are free to explore this command. There are so many things you can do with sorting command. So let's quickly look at filtering. Filtering allows you to display only data that meets some certain criteria. Okay? When you filter data, you can copy, manipulate, and print a particular range, not everything. Maybe some that meet your specification. So, without copying everything, copying them to a new spreadsheet, you could just maintain your old spreadsheet. However, you print and work on a particular range. So let's quickly try something. So let's this total scores, let us filter it. I need to highlight from the header, which is total, and then you come down here, select filter. When you've clicked on filter, you would get a drop down box. Now look at mine. This is the box. You can see every other, these ones do not have it. The total that I want to filter has it. So Now that the box is there, you can click on the box, select number filters. Maybe I want to print scores that are greater. I want to print scores that are greater than 90. Okay. Okay, all the scores here are greater than 90. Okay, let's say I want to print scores that are less than 300. Less than 300. So it's only one person that scored less than 300. Let's use another filter. Let's say we want to print scores that are equal to 300. I hope I have n. So there is no score equal to 300. So you see, we can do a lot with this particular command. It allows us to limit our search, okay? So let's say scores that are less than 290. So just one person scored lower than 290. So this is what the sort and filter commands can allow us to do. Feel free to try so many other things, okay? Thank you and bye.